Hello everyone. Let us continue with our web tutorial series on HTML and HTML5. In this particular session, we shall be discussing about the block quote and Q tag of HTML. A block quote tag is used for auto indentation of the text. There is no need to set the margin of web page if block quote is used. And Q tag is used to write the shorter codes. Very frequently we see that there are certain statements, those are written in double quotes on the web page, or that are displayed within the double quotes on the web page, like some phrases or some quotations. For providing those things, we can use a Q tag. On the other side, if we want to have an auto indentation for our web page or to the text, then we use a block quote. Let us see how this is done in practical. So here we have a small code written to demonstrate the use of block quote. Let us change this line. The title of our page should be block quote. Now first let us analyze that how this web page looks like if it is displayed as it is. So this is how the web page looks like. We have a complete paragraph written here, which is not justified also. So now let us make some changes, and we want that few lines of this paragraph should be auto indented, and there must be some statement which should be written in quotes. So we will go back to our code and we will insert a paragraph tag first. We'll close the paragraph to have justified alignment. So align is equal to justify, and here I want an auto indentation. So I'll be using block quote. And that block quote should close here. Also, somewhere in between, I want to insert some quotes. So let us say that this is the statement where I want to insert the quotes. Yeah, so let us save the document. For the sake of understanding, I'll be closing this block quote somewhere in between so that we can see the difference of how the two things looks like. Let us say we are closing the indentation at this point. Now save the file and just refresh the page. So we can see that these two statements, here we started the block quote and this is where we close the block quote. These two statements are justified and are having auto indentation in the web page. Whereas after the block quote has closed, the other statement is as it is. Also, we can analyze that the statement returned within the Q tags is now being displayed with double quotes. This is the statement here. So here we have used block quote and Q tags for auto indentation and quotations. So I hope you have understood the usage of block quote and Q tags. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment on the video that you have just referred, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.